I cannot start this poem without the name of Allah. Allow me to say Bismillah. How can I begin without mentioning the Rahim? How can I begin without mentioning the Kareem? Our Mawla Ali has his hands raised in prayer. Oh Lord, I have a flag, but not a flag bearer. On the 4th of Sha'ban, his wish was fulfilled. A lion was born, even the angels were thrilled. If courage had a body, it was born on that day. If courage has a body, Abbas is his name.
That last line, repeat it.
If courage has a body, it was born on that day. If courage has a body, Abbas is his name. He was willing to defend Islam at just the age of 13. If you beg to differ, look at the Battle of Siffin. A warrior, show yourself. Who could this man be? I am the moon of the Hashemites. I am the son of Ali.